Today we'll learn about using PID temperature control instruction. First we use TPCTL or PID temperature control instruction. First we used MD op 0 in MD option. MD stands for modify minimum overshoot method. Second option is YN. YN stand for starting address of PID on off output. Uh, we used Y10 PID output bit. Y10 use as PID output bit. Third option is SN. SN stand for starting point of PID control of this instruction. We used 0 as SN. Fourth option is ZN. ZN stand for zone number of PID. We used ZN option in 1. Fifth option is SV. SV stand for starting register of the sixth option is OS. OS stand for starting register of the in zone offset or process value register. Uh, Number seven option, eight option, and nine option is the basic PID parameters. PR stand for proportional, and IR stand for integral, and DR stand for derivative. OR stand for starting register of the PID analog output. It takes zone register. Last option WR. WR stand for starting working register of the instruction. It takes 9 register and can't be repeated anyway. Now all the parameters of our PID instruction are complete. SV is our set point and OS is our process value register and ZN is we have selected only one zone. If we select more than one, then the data register will also be the reserve of that. We can improve our PID by changing the PID parameters. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.